What's up everyone? So for today's episode I have a super useful tip for you guys that you can check out with your Samsung Galaxy Watch. So if you swipe to the left you can see this activity ring which is present in the form of heart shape, and if you tap here it will give you further insight about your activity, workout, hourly move, etc. On Apple Watch we have a similar activity ring which is in the circular form, and the concept here is pretty simple on both smartwatches, that you have to close these rings by completing your daily activity or workout, and it depends on the goal you set. But here on the Samsung Watch we have data just for this week, and if you go to the calendar you cannot see activity rings here, which makes it a bit tough to check on which day of the month you were more active and on which day you were a bit lazy. For this, finally we have an update to Samsung Health that shows activity rings in a great way. And to check them, first of all go to Samsung Health. Now you have to scroll down and select daily activity. So this shows the activity of today. But if you tap here on this calendar icon at the top, here you go, all the activity rings of each and every day are present here in a great way, and you can tap on each and every day to check activity of that specific day as well. You can also see the number of steps that you have taken throughout the month. For example, during the month of July, these were my total steps, which are about 136k. It is not necessary to have a Galaxy Watch to see the number of steps in the S Health, as a lot of Samsung phones have built-in pedometers, so they can calculate your steps directly from your phone. But having a watch will definitely improve the data like active time and calories burnt. So check out the number of steps that you have taken throughout the month of July and share the data in the comments below. It will be interesting to see who took the most number of steps. With that being said, this was the video for today. Hopefully you liked it, and if you love watching videos on Android phones, smartwatches, tech gadgets, do hit that subscribe button, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Until then, bye bye.